What up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we about to check out Red Velvet, Feel My Rhythm. I'm here to feel rhythms. Listen, I already know Red Velvet is like, they can do anything, to be honest. But I usually do love the like velvet side. I think it's the velvet, the red, is it the red side or velvet side? I'm not sure. The one I like, the more R&B Red Velvet for me. But I also like the like poppy, like kind of weird MV type of Red Velvet too. Well, basically I like Red Velvet. They're one of my favorite girl groups. Also one of my girlfriend's favorite girl groups as well. Which I think you'll watch her reaction on my Twitch live if you guys follow. We're going Twitch around 4 p.m. PST. Follow the Discord. But if you guys don't already know, my bias is Wendy, great vocalist. Bias record is Sulky or Joy, I'm not sure. But I just like them all as a whole. I think they're very talented. Let's stop talking, let's get into this, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Alrighty then. Red Velvet, Feel My Rhythm, MV. 4K as it should be. Captions on English. Let's pop off. It looks like a water painting, an oil painting, it seems like. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is interesting of a beginning. Hello? What? Oh, it's like okay, vocal. What is this actual classical song called again? I forgot. I'm not. Girl. Is she about to slay? She got a sword? What was that? A fencing sword? Oh, it's based off. Bringing in vocals. As you should. You know what's crazy? I didn't expect this, but also expected this at the same time. I was like, literally that first note, I was like, that's very Red Velvet kind of sound too. I thought it was gonna just be like all classical music, but of course not. We're talking about S7 here. Ooh. That's fire. Is that Eric? Oh, Epic. I read Eric. Epic appearance is stunning ingredient. This is literally just art. Let the play start. Let's go. I'm ready. Blow confetti. Pride and Prejudice got nothing on us. Okay, let's go. Ah, interesting. Oh, in the mixture of the classical. What an interesting mix. So it's like a really upbeat with the classical mix. I remember because back, if you guys don't follow the Discord, they were talking about how the first listens they weren't sure, but the second listen they love it. People are saying amazing. People are putting their opinions in. I'm like, huh, interesting. Now I want to see how it is and what they're talking about, and I understand now. Ooh, you better. Oh! That whole ass trip, that's a whole trip of a transition. Just ride. Get loud. I like that. God, it's so beautiful. God. Better get it. They make like a, it's a mixture of genres. What's this? Is this trap classical? What is? You know, I don't even know what's happening in the music video, but most of the time I don't know what's happening in Red Velvet's music videos sometimes, or in K-pop in general. Such an interesting breakdown too, but I like it. Because you hear like the strings and everything from the classical music. I forgot the name of the classical music. I have to search it up later, but ooh, bitch, get your ish. know, dead ass, that shit gonna be clipped and gift or GIF, whatever you want to go by. Put in the comments below. Do you say GIF or GIF? But if any songy stands. Ooh, the wings. I don't know what other people feel about this, but I already think this is gonna be iconic. Just from the music video song. Ooh. And back to watercolors. Or like oil paintings. Or paintings. Quite interesting take. Bro, Red Velvet can release a Cirque du Soleil and I would watch it. That's what inspired me too. Oh, it's so beautiful. God. Interesting. Oh, and that last shot of them just laying like a picnic or something like that. Ooh. Feel my rhythm. Oh. Oh. What is that song that they sampled basically? How do I know which one is which? Is it this one? I think this one. It's not this one. This one. Ah. Air on G string. Johann Sebastian Bach. Okay, interesting. Guys, put a comment down below what you guys think of Red Velvet's Feel My Rhythm. I actually like it. I actually like the fact that they sampled like the thing like Bach and his strings and then added their own Red Velvet twist to it. Red Velvet has a classy, weird vibe to them and I like that. And there's nothing wrong with it. And the vocals and harmonies towards it too. Like all of them like kill it and slay it. I can see why people be like thrown off a bit, but at the same time, like, it's pretty fire. Anyways, put a comments down below what you guys think. Again, follow the Discord. I will be on Twitch live at 4 p.m., around 4 p.m. PST, and we'll be checking this out again. We're checking out more Stray Kids and just a lot more other K-pop stuff. And if you guys have a game that you guys like to play, like whether it be video games, please tell me in the Discord or even on Twitch. Alright, y'all. Everything is in the link in the description. Go check out the music video, and I'll see you guys some next time. Alright, y'all? Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear. Calvin.